Hey guys, how you doing? I wanted to do a quick, not really a TA, but more of a quick update on GameStop. It does look like the weekly is going to be closing bullish. And as you guys know, every single time we've actually closed bullish on the weekly for GameStop, we have seen a very nice run towards the upside, right? The first instance was back here on March 1st when we actually went from 100 all the way up to 348. Second instance was right here back on May 24th when we rallied from 174 all the way to 344. And right now it's going to be the third instance if we do close bullish in the next 2 minutes and 30 seconds, so 2.5 minutes. It looks like we are going to be closing bullish with lows of 150. From here, who knows, right? Who knows what we can actually run to. But if we just do a quick forecast of what actually happened last time, so we ran first time we ran there, second time we ran from these lows to there. So on average, so we did the first time 250 in around 7 days. Second time was 169 in about 14 days. If I have to look at this, I'd have to assume that it's going to take a little bit longer from each previous time. So the first time we rallied 255%. The second time we rallied 100%. I could only assume that we keep dropping in half increments. So this next time, I'm thinking it might even take double that. So first time 7 days, next time 14 days. I think we might see in the next maybe 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So maybe 21 days. This is just me adding another 7 days to the lows here. So it does look like we're going to close here. Percentage-wise, I can see us going back to like maybe something like 227 in the next like 22 days, right? Again, just because this is kind of the average, right? The first run 250, second run 169. I mean, if we're going from the lows here, if we do another rally, another push in 14 days, right? The last time was $169 to the upside in 14 days. So we do 169 from here. The crazy part is we're actually perfectly hitting that 322 price target if we do an exact match of what happened back on that second instance of the weekly bullish close. So if we do run $169 in 14 days like we did this last run up on GameStop, we are basically perfectly on 322 resistance, which I can only assume might be the next rally towards the upside. But again, as soon as you do close bullish on GameStop, you can expect maybe another 2 more weeks of GameStop running towards the upside, and on that second week expect a top on GameStop. That's all I can basically let you guys know on that second week. So you have 1 more week of rallying to the upside. It just pushed to 162 on aftermarket. But if you actually see GameStop officially close bullish, right? So officially, as of I'm making this video, GameStop closed the week bullish. Looking at previous historical runs, we can assume that for 2 more weeks, you're actually going to see GameStop rally. And on that second week, sometime in that second week, it's going to be creating all-time highs dependent on just looking at what it's done in the past, right? So I can only assume that 2 weeks from now, GameStop is going to be at peak highs, and then it's probably going to dump all over again if the MOAS doesn't happen. So I'll see you guys later.